Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trending on Tando Doma for not inviting her friend Ulasizwe emshadweni wakhe. So people are so bantu abaningi lapha emshadweni Ntando Doma, but umuntu labangazange bambone nguLasizwe. We know ukuthi uLasizwe and Ntando Doma have been friends for a long time. Kesana, they've been friends for isikhathi lesithe angendlela lesimanga. So people are really concerned ukuthi hayibo we know ukuthi wena naLasizwe ni close kangakanani nibangani sukela fantuka, why uLasizwe bekangekho emshadweni wakho. So people started dragging uNtando Duma, calling her a fake friend, saying ukuthi so ushintshile now that akasagundi nempandla nje akasaboni uLasizwe ngazuthi mngani wakhe. And I was like, hey bana, what did you guys just said? So abantu abaningi nje bashilo ukuthi girl, why ungazange invite kuLasizwe ave uyifake ona because wena into sethi khambela kahle no so mdichile kuLasizwe just like that kanjani phendulile ke na uNtando Duma after what people have been saying about her. Waphendula khuluma abhalela ali page lapha ku Instagram lelibitwa ngamaphephandzaba, wabhala wathi, yazi mabashade nabo and invite who they want at their wedding and leave me and my mkhonzi in peace bakithi. Yeah, kusho uNtando Duma, clapping back kulabantu labamdrigako for not inviting uSomizi emshadweni wabo. Phendulile ke uSomizi after bonile ukuthi abantu labaningi bakhuluma ngaye bathi hayibo wena we-invitewanga wena emshadweni, asikubonanga nje nangezishadi bo ukuphi. Waphendula ke na uSomizi naye abhalela lipage lalapha ku Instagram lelidumile lelibitwa ngamaphephandzaba. Waphendula wathi, Ntando got married last year in around December. It was the same time I was scheduled to go to the mental wellness retreat. I chose health over a beautiful memory of my friend getting married. Kusho uLasizwe makaphendula lapha kumaphephandzaba ukuthi uNtando washada kahle kahle last year ngoDecember. Ngaleso sikhathi yena bekumele uyo-attenda i-mental wellness retreat yakhe because bekangekho right mentally, I think. So uthi wachoose i-health yakhe over a beautiful memory of mngani wakhe lo shadako. So there have been rumors ukuthi vele uNtando Duma ushade dzala and ngikhani nje kupostwa tithombe. So I know ukuthi kubonakala ngazuthi ushade this month, and it's not even like that. Yet bantu bamcongratulate this month, bantu baposta ama-pictures akhe this month because bawubone this month, but kuthiwa vele kahle kahle uNtando Duma ushade last year. Shokdzala into yakdzala le, some do know ukuthi vele ushade last year and some didn't know. They think ukuthi ushade this year, this month, and it's not even like that. But ngibosibonile shamula uLasizwe repostile ama-picture waposta naye. So lokusho kona ukuthi there's no beef between the two of them. It's just that njengoba asho ukuthi bekangekho guy bamschedulile ukuthi aye kudilana mental wellness yakhe yabo. So kuyakhombisa ukuthi there's no beef between the two of them. It's just that akazange khona ku-attenda mshado waNtando Duma because of a very valid and personal reason. I mean, i-wellness yakho ibalulekile kuneti ithombe temshado. But the fact that repostile ama-picture uyaposta naye, it shows ukuthi umjabulele mngani wakhe and they are in good terms. So please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.